right? Yes. How many properties we learned? Do you remember? Yes. How many properties? 3 properties, right? That is commutative property, then associative property, then what? Distributive property. Yes. Just recall what these 3 properties. Okay. Yes. First, commutative property. Commutative property means what? That is, if you change the order, when two numbers multiplied, if you change the order also, the product will change. Same only, right? Yes. Let us see the example. 5 times 2 equal to how much will become? 10. So now I am going to change the order. 2 times 5 also how much? 10. So the product is same only, isn't it? So the property 5 into 2 equal to 2 into 5. This is the first property. 5 into 2 equal to 2 into. If you are multiplying two numbers, when we change the order also, we will get the product same only, right? Yes. Next one, associative property. Next one is associative property, right? Associative property more than two numbers. Here we are using more than two numbers, right? Yes. That means 5 into 1 into 6. First I am using the first two numbers. Here 5 times 1 are how much? 5 into 6. 5 times 6 are how much? 30. Then next 5 into 1 into 6. Now I am using the last two numbers. So 5 into 1 into 6 how much? 6. So 5 times 6 are how much? 30. See that answer equal. 30 only, right? So here more than two numbers we are using. That means 5 into 1 into 6 equal to, first I am using the first two numbers, right? First I multiply first two numbers. Then the second time the last 5 into 1 into 6. That means last two numbers. 1 into 6. So if we change the order also, we can get the product same only, right? This is associative property. The next one is distributive property. Distributive property, 5 into 9. 5 into 9, how we can multiply? 5 into this 9 can be broken into two numbers, right? That means now I am going to make it that 7 plus 2. Okay, 7 plus 2 how much? 9, right? Yes. Next I am going to distribute this 5. I am going to multiply inside the bracket, right? Yes. Multiply 5 times these first two numbers. That means 5 into 7. Then the middle plus value. Then 5 times 2. 5 times 2. Right? Yes. 5 times 7 is how much? 35. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. Right? 35 plus 10, 45. The answer is 45. This is distributive property. Right? Yes. See, next we are going to discuss about multiplying into two-digit numbers. Multiplying into two-digit numbers. First, multiplying without regrouping. Okay, without regrouping. For example, 12 into 32. Now, that multiplying by two-digit. That means multiplier is two-digit multiplier. Here I am using two-digit multiplier. Okay. This is the multiplier, this is the multiplier. Yes. First multiply 12, then 32. Yes. First, ones place I am using. Okay. Here, first these two numbers we have to multiply. 2 times 2 is how much? 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Then, again, now this one finished, right? Next I am going to multiply this number and this number. So 2 times 1 are 2 only. So now ones place is over. Now I am going to use in tens place, the multiplier in tens place. So 3. Okay. 3 into this two number I am going to use. So first here 3 into this number. That means here we are going to put 0 only. Okay. No need to write the answer here. In tens place only you are going to write the answer. Okay. So 3 times 2 is how much? 6. 3 2s are 6. Next you have to write in the left side only. So 3 1s are 3. Right? 3 1s are 3. Next step, we are going to add these two products. See, next step, we are going to add these two products. Okay. 4 plus 0, how much? 4. Right? Then 2 plus 6 is how much? 2 in our mind, take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? Yes, 8. Then here 3. That means 384. So 12 into 32. What is the product? Product is 384. The multiplication is 12. Multiplier is 32. The product is, what is the product? Product is 384. 384. Understand? One more example. 14 into 21. Okay, 14 into 21. Multiply 14, then 21. First, you have to use the single, sorry, ones place in 1. Okay, this one, 1 time 4 is how much? 4 only. Then 1 time 1 is 1 only. The first one is over. Okay, first product we are getting. Now tens place we are going to multiply. In multiplier tens place this number first in ones place and here 2 into 4. But that ones place we put 0. Don't write the answer here. Then 2 times 4s are in tens place you write 2 times 4s are 8. Okay. Then 2 times 1s are 2. Left side you have to write 2. Understand? Next we are going to add these two products. Understand? That means 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then here 2 only. So the product is 14 into 21, 294. 294. Right? Yes. One more example. 33 into 22. Okay, 33 into 22. Multiply 33 here 22. Okay, so here first we are going to use which table? Second table, right? Yes. 2 times 3 are and 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, right? Yes, 6. Again 2 times 3 are 6 only. Right? Yes, first term is over. Now we are going to use in the side multiplier tens place value, right? So multiplier 2 times again 3 are how much? 6 in tens place, but ones place we put 0. Okay, 2 times 3 are 6. Then again 2 times 3 are 6. Next we are going to add the product, right? Yes, 6 plus 0, 6. Then 6 plus 6 is how much? 12, right? 12, 1 carry. 12 means that 2 only we are going to write it here. Then that 1 is carry over. Then 6 plus, we have to add this value here. 6 plus 1, how much? 7. So the answer equal to 726. 726. Understand? Yes, the last example. 13 into 12. Okay, 13 into 12. 13, 12. First 2 into 3. Okay, 2 times 3 are 6. Then 2 times 1 are 2 only. Next tens place 1 3 is 3. Here we put 0. Okay, 1 3 is 3. Then 1 1 is 1. Then add the product 6. 3 plus 2 how much? 5 will come, right? Yes, 5. Then here 1 only. So the answer, the product is 13 into 12, 156. 156. Right? Do you understand, children, now? Yes. So now what you are going to do? The exercise 5.7. This is your homework. Page number 88. Page number 88. Exercise 5.7. Here First question, A to F. A to F. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here 6 questions are there. A to F. Okay, that is your homework. Page number 88. Exercise 5.7. The first one. Write the following the appropriate columns and multiply. The first question only completed. Okay, there are 6 questions are there. A to F. Right? So if you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.